Hi, I'm going to try to make this quickly as possible, okay, and hopefully you can follow along. All right, I have a circle of bones, okay. All the bones are, hey, the bone constraints have an angle of 0 and 10 degrees, and so each one of these bones has an angle of 0 to 10 degrees, okay, and each one has a corresponding um, movement. Okay, now this is wrong, okay, so I'm going to get rid of that. And what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to turn this out. Well, I'm back. I'm not going to fight with it. Hey, and it goes to O. So oboe goes to O, okay, and it has a switch and it has the movement. The A has a switch, turn, and it should be to there. So let's see. E goes to there. You can see the U's coming up. Hey, so each time I go on to a different bone or in a smart bone, it selects a different mouth position. So let's get back to the main line and do a little animating with this. So remember, this is all set up so it doesn't collapse onto the target. Hey, I'm going to just move the target. And the rest position is the starting point you want. You want this on rest over here on the frame 0. And you're going to come out. And I'm going to move it close to there. And I get the E. Then I'm going to jog down. And I want the E to stay open. So I want to click on the target again so that the E stays open for the amount of frame, for the 4 frames I have here, as you can see down on the timeline. Then I want to go back to the rest position, so I'm just going to move the target back to rest. I create another keyframe. I want it to rest until frame 12, so I just click on the target to get it okay. Then let's say I want to go to this mouth opening. So, and I want to hold it for, say, 3 frames. Let me see, 1, 2, 3 frames. And I'm going to click on the target again. So I get keys. Then I'm going to go to the rest position, and it's in the rest position. And so basically, that's how you get a circular rig to do mouth movement. Next up is, let me add one more layer here. Get off the timeline. Another vector. Let me put a triangle in here, make it green. My green. I want it green. So I'm going to fill it green. And it's fighting with me. I love this program. There we go. Enter. Hey, and I'm going to move it over here. See, it's on top. And let me go back to, so I got some animation, and as you can see, I got layer order in B1, and I got the layer down at the bottom corner timeline. You can see I've changed in the layer orders. I've already set this up so that the sort depth has got animated layer order. And what's happening here is as I move this, I can change the layer order. And now I got 3 keys down here, and each one is a different layer order. And I've got B2 also set up, which is the bone here, as a different layer order. So when I go to animate this, I just have to move this, and I get the layer orders like that, or I can get, just layer order like that. So in this one I left, okay, because there's an extra bone here. I could add more different types of layer orders and mix it up. So instead of going top to bottom or bottom to top, I can go center to down or whatever. And basically, most of the times when you have a layer order, you're going to have a standard layer setup, and maybe you want to pull that back automatically. Okay. Thanks for watching. Bye.